Yawubo lo mhlabathi lo uyisanti lo mhlabathi lo. There's no much organic matter ekhona la. Sizobuya-ke sikhulume nganamazambane. Safuna ukuliwasha kahle uzolibona. Nali-ke lezambane ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalo. Be concerned if uzogubha amazambane aphume afana naleli, abe namaqhuqhuva kanje. Lezambane leli lichaza into ezimbili noma ezintathu. Number one, lichaza ukuthi inhlabathi yakho inama-nematodes. Kwaw, lona linama-nematodes. Ama-nematodes lawa la. Kuthiwa njengoba ubona iqhuqhuva lilodwa kanje, kune-female nematodes more than 100,000 yamaqanda la leqhuqhuva. Shuthi nje lezambane leli silibambe nje lina 1 million nematodes asazozalwa, and azalwa they spread out enhlabathini yakho. Number two, uchaza ukuthi inhlabathi yakho is not fertile or iyi-sandy soil, so they are easy to swim. Number three, kuchaza ukuthi wena you don't practice crop rotation. So if kuleyo nhlabathi yakho ubutshale utamatisi, utshale amazambane, utshale ubhontshisi, utshale amathanga, ngibala izinto ezivamise uku-affect-wa kakhulu ama-nematodes. Uma urotate ngalezo zinto lezo, kufana nokuthi awurotate-anga noma bunga-rotate, ngoba those things they are most likely to be affected by ama-nematodes. So if ubutshale amazambane, rotate ufake iklabishi, yabo. Uma ubutshale itamati, rotate ufake anyanisi, ufake amaphepha upelepele now same, but crop rotation is very important. Then how to deal with them? Okay, let's say usufuna ukudila ngawo-ke ama-nematodes. Kunama-nematicides and ayabiza. Kuna polarization iyabiza. Uthatha iplastiki elimhlophe le-colorless plastic uyindlale the whole hectare or the whole space onaso in summer. Leyo plastic idonsa ukushisa ikulethe phansi enhlabathini, then bese ayasha. That's how you control them. Indlela yesi-3 engiyaziyo is to add the organic matter, and leyo organic matter i-attract-a ama-nematodes are-good azofayitha lawa a-bad. Luckily 46% are good, then 13% are bad, then mhlampe lawa amanye ama-percent they are just visitors abakhona, awa-affect-i, awadli lutho. So those are the ways. Or the fourth one, ukuthatha amacembe ekhabishi or ikabishi uligaye and then broadcast it kuleyo field yakho. So if kuyi-hectare, how many cabbages do you need ukuthi uwagaye bese wa-broadcasta lapho? But if you have a small garden, yes, you can do that. Buy 1 cabbage, uyigaye and then broadcast it. Or uvele utshale nje ikhabishi straight. Uma ulivuna uphendule umhlabathi, ungakhiphi yonke into, isale phansi, ibolela phansi. Naleyo bathiwa ikhabishi inaleyo compound ebulala ama-nematodes noma ewaxoshayo. So yeah, be concerned ngalezi zinto lezi. These are nematodes, and there are more than 100,000 species. I can't say this one is root knot. Yabo, kodwa just know ukuthi these ones are just bad ngoba lezambane leli you can't sell it. If you can't sell it, it's a waste. If utshalele business, they can affect 60% of your produce. 60%. So this is a serious problem okufanele udile nayo as umlimi. Shabuka. Okay, one last thing engikhohle ukuyisho. The issue yama-nematodes, yes, you can go and test, or you can take soil samples you test ama-nematodes. Just go to your Google, search for NemiLab or nematodes labs around the area. Then again, even if they are not around your area, but you can send samples using the courier and then bakuthumelele ama-results. Konke lokho or leyo information iyokusiza ngisho noma usufuna ukuthenga iplazi. Yabo iplazi elitshala amazambane, elitshala amatamati. It's a no if you want to produce on the soil, because you have to wait for a period of 2 years, or you have to invest kuma-chemicals to deal nama-nematodes kuleyo ndawo leyo uma ngabe usufuna ukuyitshala. So kuningi bafethu, but sizokushare nje kancane kancane.